What's that peeking in my window? You should let some more skin show. And if one of these websites get the info, we could work it out, no Nintendo. I just hit alt tab, switching in between two convos. I should just call cabs and bring them both here to the condo. Yeah, normally it ain't a question.
Alrighty, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a natural face. So I did already go ahead and do my eyebrows. I also primed with the Black Radiance HD primer all over my face. So I do mix from the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte collection, the Cocoa and the Soft Sable. So before I start that, I'm going to go ahead and use my Luminude. Oop, that's gone. My Luminude, it's like a water-based skin luminizer. So we're going to go in with the foundation.
But I know it's possible. He says it's impossible. But I know it's possible. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me.
All right, so now that we have that blended in, so then we're gonna go ahead and conceal everyone's favorite LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn.
A lasting relationship, not based on ownership. I trust every part of you, 'cause all that you say you do.
Alright, now I'm going to contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. Mine is in medium dark. I have a highlight, a medium shade, and a dark brown shade. I'm going to use these two shades today. I'm just going to use my finger to kind of mix the two. The dark one's just way too dark, and that light one is just way too my skin color. So I do find when I mix them together, child, they work magic. All right, then I'm going to take one side of my beauty blender and we're just gonna blend in the concealer.
Just tell me what to say. I can't find the words to say. Please don't be mad with me. I have no identity. Oh, all that I've known is gone. All I was building on. I don't want to walk with you. How do I talk to you?
And then, so I use this side for the concealer. I'm going to use this back side for the contour, just because the way it's shaped, it kind of gives me more to work with, you know. And
now that I know the truth, now that there's no excuse keeping me from your love, what was I thinking of? Holding me from your love, what was I thinking of?
Alright, then we're going to be trying a new product today. I typically use, what do I use? Midnight Banana Powder, or recently I've been using this Aerospun powder, this translucent extra coverage. I kind of wanted to see how it's going to work. I've been wearing it for a couple weeks. It's okay. It does give me a little bit more of a whiter shadow. I do kind of sometimes enjoy the yellow color to the banana powder, but no flashback, so I'm not mad at all. But this is the, I don't want to say new, I'm not sure how new it is, but the Black Opal True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder. I got it in Neutral Light, which is the lightest color it comes in. The next color after this was medium, and it was just looking a little too dark to be a highlight color, but it did look like it was going to be a really nice all over face color. Is it coming out or no? Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and go in. Oh, she is smooth. What?
Strumming my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words.
Wasn't ready for that at all. Right off the bat, she's smoother than the baby's bottom. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, but for real, this shit is smooth.
I like this color.
This little thing, I thought it was such a great invention to put your little beauty blender in. But let me tell you, trying to close this joint. Next, I'm going to contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This one is obviously powder. As you can see, I've hit pan because it's just that good. I'm going to go in with a dark contour color and blend it with the Sculpting Brown color, slightly the same way I did the cream contour. Just because I know I'm the color right in between, but I ain't catering to that yet. So we're going to wait on it. Hit the temples. And next I'm going to bronze with the CoverGirl Queen collection. This one is an ebony bronze. We discontinued this line, so your girl got to order it from Amazon. I'm pretty pissed about that. It actually has some really good products. I really loved the lipsticks. The lipsticks were fire. They had it's dark red. That was really nice. Like this plum color. Just things that really complemented our skin tone, you know? It's pretty hard to find, at least in a quality lipstick. And CoverGirl's okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set, not really set, but pretty much set the rest of my face and kind of blend everything in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is loose finishing powder. So I pretty much use this all over my whole face. I use this little fluffy brush and kind of first blend out that chisel. Really get rid of that. And then from there, just kind of work my way over everything. I'm also going to use the highlight from the same palette, my medium to dark palette. And just kind of slide this right on top here. Because I don't want nothing crazy. And then I'm going to take my finger to do my nose. Because like I said, for some reason, I want her to pop the most. Just doesn't really make any sense. So for my eyes, we're going to keep it real natural. I'm going to go ahead and just put a crease color, just a bronze, again from the CoverGirl Queen collection. This one is a medium deep. So this one it's just a step away from the actual bronzer that I used. Just a step a tad bit lighter, just to give it a little bit of definition. Nothing crazy. And that's all. I am also going to go back in with the Queen collection in the ebony bronze, which is the darker one, just to kind of chisel my nose out. Just a little bit. I don't normally go too crazy with the nose. Just because when somebody's looking at you and all they can see is your nose contour, I think that's kind of embarrassing. I'm gonna line using a liquid liner. This one is, I don't know what this is called, y'all. Italia? I don't know, deluxe liquid liner. Some liquid liner that I found at the beauty supply store. It actually is really nice. It has a nice little felt tip here. And then liquid liner, it is very black, comes out very matte. And on the other side is a pencil liner. So I thought this was super dope. This is in the color Black Matte. Boom, I hope I find this again actually.
Cause he's all that I got and tell him I need him, tell him I love him, and it'll be alright.
I'm gonna apply lashes off camera and we'll be back for lips. Alright, so I put on a very, very natural lash. A little wispy situation. And we're gonna add a little mascara to the bottom just to kind of clump them together. What you doing up there with us? And with the other end of my little duo situation, I'm going to just throw a little bit on the corner. Kind of stopping right before the middle. Only because I am going to take a mauve red color from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. And just kind of smudge the bottom. To me, that just kind of gives it more of like a natural sultry look. Sometimes bottom liner can get a little 1998, you know? Bottom liner was my favorite thing in high school. Couldn't tell me nothing. And then I'm gonna use, y'all, I don't know the colors of these no more. They put this little plastic thing on top that had the color name on it, like you were supposed to keep up with that for as long as you were gonna have the damn palette. So unrealistic. But it's just the gold shade. Don't mind my broken chocolate bar palette, y'all. I've had it for forever, and it is my favorite. It goes everywhere with me. That's low-key why it looks so crazy. She done been everywhere. She damn near need a passport. Since it's supposed to be a natural look, we're gonna go with, let's go with a nude. I'm just gonna use a brown liner to line my lips. I did put chapstick on just because they were dry. They was dry, y'all. I know some of y'all gonna try to come for me. And we're just gonna throw a lip gloss on top. This is, again, the black. This is not sponsored at all by Black Radiance. I didn't realize how many Black Radiance products I actually do have. But this is the Black Radiance SPF lip gloss. This color is in Urban Nude. I'm just gonna throw that right on top. Not the best nude in the world because, like I said, it is a lip gloss. It layers really nicely on top of other colors. But we're just gonna go ahead and spray everything. All right, guys, and that is it. This is the final look. Little natural beat down. Not really that natural because it did take us about 30 minutes, 40 minutes if you move slow like me, but this is pretty much my everyday. Let's go to the movies. Let's go to the mall. I live in LA, so there's always somebody in town. So far, this Black Opal, she's so soft and smooth. It's absolutely ridiculous. Now, this compared to my banana powder, hands down, when it says soft velvet, they were for real. The color is everything for your everyday look. Whether you're not trying to do too much look, I just want to be matte. I just came here not to have no problems. I just came to stun on y'all just one day at a time. I'm not going to throw the whole shebang at y'all. That's what this Black Opal is for. Now, this neutral light, I can only imagine what the medium or the deep or the darker colors do for the rest of your face. I definitely got to get my hands on that. But for now, this Black Opal, she might have just taken the cake. Tell me if I'm giving natural beat. Tell me if this is a look that you would wear. Tell me if it's doable. Everything here is pretty much a drugstore. All of it is affordable. So, if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang. Till next time, peace.
What they do? Follow me home, period. Run that